Mark Zuckerberg is one of the most recognizable CEOs in the world, and what he has achieved at 32 years old is pretty staggering. But today, we will talk about Mark Zuckerberg's house. Mark Zuckerberg lives in a 5,000 square feet estate in Palo Alto, California. He purchased the Crescent Park neighborhood home in May 2011 for $7 million, a year before he married Priscilla Chan. But after getting married, Mark Zuckerberg also bought all the 4 houses around his own house. Even Mark Zuckerberg did not need to buy these homes, but he still bought all the 4 houses around his house. But the question is that, why did Zuckerberg buy the 4 big houses around his own house? So let's know in this video. Unlike the homes of most billionaires, the Palo Alto-based homes of Mark Zuckerberg is quite modest. He purchased this 5,617 square feet home in May 2011, a year before he married Priscilla Chan. This house contains a big garden, a big swimming pool, 5 big bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. In 2007, at the age of 23, he became the world's youngest self-made billionaire. As of November 2020, Zuckerberg's net worth is $101.2 billion, making him the 4th richest person in the world. The home is situated near the Facebook's office, just a 10-minute drive. Mark Zuckerberg's home has a large outdoor space, great for parties. There is an entertainment pavilion, fireplace, barbecue area, and a spa. The interior of the house comprises of wood flooring and simple traditional furniture. Soon after getting married to Chan in 2012, Zuckerberg began to buying the properties surrounding his home, selling out more than $30 million to acquiring 4 homes. But why? What is the reason behind it? Because Mark Zuckerberg does not want to live in excess. He just wants a little privacy. Zuckerberg reportedly took action after he learned that a developer wants to purchase one of his neighbor's homes and used the fact that Zuckerberg lived close by. As a marketing tactic, he started purchasing the homes last December. Now we will know some amazing and interesting facts about Mark Zuckerberg that you have never heard before. When Zuckerberg was 12, he created an instant messaging program that he called ZuckNet so his dentist father could know when patients arrive. Do you know that why Facebook's logo is blue in color? Facebook's logo is blue because Zuckerberg has red-green color blindness. He turned down many offers to sell Facebook. Many big-name companies wanted to buy Facebook. News Corp, MySpace, Viacom, Yahoo, NBC, Microsoft again and again, and Google all has tried to buy Facebook but couldn't succeed. He is on Twitter, but he is unsurprisingly not very active on it. He has tweeted only 19 times since 2009. Zuckerberg is big fan of Einstein and Pablo Picasso. He has Einstein's quote, "Make things as simple as possible but not simpler." And Picasso's inside that, "All children are artists. The problem is how to remain an artist once you grow up," as his favorites on Facebook. His dog is a celebrity too. Zuckerberg's Hungarian sheepdog has his own Facebook page that has more than 2 million likes. Zuckerberg is only around 5 feet and 7 inches. However, he seems much taller in photos, and that's because he apparently has some positioning tricks. He stands with his chest out and his back straight, as if held up by a string. Mark Zuckerberg and his wife's first meeting was a little inauspicious. Zuckerberg and his wife Dr. Priscilla Chan met for the first time in the line for the bathroom at a fraternity party at Harvard University. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.